pwedeng muling makuha. Bago ako matapos dito, sana ngayon malaman ko, nandito pa din si Jake G, nagmamahal pa rin sa'yo.
Together we are fine, but I won't want to make it better when I make sure my jaw drop down to the floor. You are so beautiful, you're what I adore. But now I'm writing this letter to you, to telling you everything. When I'm calling, don't let it ring. I saw it, I want you to see. I love your voice, love your smile, I love you just the way you are. Coming straight from the heart, I love you, girl, from the start.
Sa konsong ko na mix, solo ni